Welcome, friends. Welcome to Divine Designs 24. My name is Tammy, and we're going to be bringing another Valentine project here. This one here is from Amazon, and it just says love, L-O-V-E. So it just says love, and I took some UV resin and just kind of put in the heart here and put a little sticker that says be mine. So hopefully that's going to work out good. I'm going to take some holographic silver and put in here, and then we'll put the resin in. I'm not going to put a lot. I just want to kind of outline it a little bit on the heart. So let's see what we can do here. I'll have to go in with a toothpick and clean that up where I get the excess, but I just wanted to kind of outline it here a little bit. I thought that would look pretty. Okay. I'll just take a toothpick, a little bit of alcohol, and just clean up around the edges. If a little bit gets up there, that doesn't matter. I just didn't want a lot of it. Okay, I got a little more in here than I thought. That mica powder likes to go everywhere. So, get the alcohol pads out. It's all right if there's a little bit in there. I just didn't want it to be excess. Okay. That looks good. All right, so now I have my resin all made up. I did 6 ounces. I have no idea how much this is gonna hold. Let's see if I can grab one of the things out of here. This here is actually, it holds flower buds. So this will go inside here. This will be a hole here. This will go inside there, and then you put a flower bud in there, or you can, is it for a rooting plant. So, but that's what that's for. And I want to put a little bit of this pink in here. I'm not going to use this a lot. Enough to pink it up. This will look pretty. This will look really pretty. Okay, so then we just pour it in. And 6 ounces might not do it. We'll see. And it looks like it will not, but I don't think I need to fill this all the way up. I think it's going to be fine. You don't have to have it that thick. I think this is as thick as I'm going to make it. Because I don't think we have to have it that thick. I think that's going to be just fine, I'm hoping. I think it's going to be fine because everything's all covered. And I don't think we have to make it that thick. So we're going to leave it because I really don't want it to flash cure. So I think we're going to let this go at this. And when it's all set, I'll look at it. And if I think it needs another layer, I'll put another layer on it. But I think it's going to be just fine. I don't think I'm going to need to do another layer. So it is, let's see, what is it? 8 o'clock at night. So I'm going to let this go to tomorrow afternoon. And then we will demold this. So we'll be back for demold. Be right back. We're back for demold. So let's see how this turned out. I think this is going to be beautiful. I've never demolded this before, so let's see how this looks. These are always the toughest part. Still a little soft, actually. That works out well. It is the next day, but it's not quite 24 hours, so it's still a little soft. There's a little plug that goes in there that lets me put the tube in there. Okay. There we go. Get this up here. And get the plug out. There we go. Get this all cleaned up when we're all done. That works out really good. The plug just goes right in there. So that way it leaves the spot for the tube. So I'm gonna put it right back in there. Set that off to the side. Let's take a peek at this. I got just a little bit of trimming to do, not much. A little bit. And the tube goes in like that. And I just pulled these little greeneries I had just to show what it would look like to have some greenery in it. So we'll just stuff those in there so you can see. But see, then you just do that, and look at there. And you can put a little plant in there to, you could put something like a rose stem or whatever in there to, with some water, but I'll probably use it to root plants because I have lots of plants. But that turned out really pretty, didn't it? That turned out really pretty. But I'm going to add a little bit more to this. Just because I want a little bit more glam to it. Yeah, I got a little trimming to do there. Not much though. I'm really impressed. I don't have much trimming to do. Okay, so I just want to embellish this a little bit. Add a little bit more sparkle to it. Because I like to add sparkle. So we're gonna have some pink and a little bit of some white. I'm gonna alternate these in here. And let's see how it looks. I'm just gonna do it around the heart. And I'm just going to alternate them. There we go. Get it started. I think that was supposed to be pink. Right? Now I can't tell the pink from the white. Let's see here. That's a white one. Well, you get them on the pink and you really can't tell the difference between them, so I think I'm just going to use one color. I think I'm just going to use the pink. Because you can't, with the pink background, you can't tell that the white. The white is white. So I'm just going to use all pinks on here. Okay, while I'm doing this, I can go ahead and put you on fast forward for just a minute. I don't think it's going to take me too long to do these. It's just getting them all straight and in the glue. And we'll be right back and enjoy the music. Okay, I'm back, and here it is, all done. Trying to get out of the ring light. Didn't that turn out very pretty? Added just a little bling to it. And then you just put your vase in there. And there you go. A nice, beautiful little Valentine plant holder. This is the, it's called Inclusions. It's just a mixture I put in with the resin to make that pink. I get this at Hobby Lobby. It's over by where the UV resin is, but I get this at Hobby Lobby. I paid $2.99 for it. They don't usually have this on sale. I usually have to pay $2.99 for them, but that's okay because I really like them. A little bit goes a long ways. I did not use very much to put in here, but that is so cute. I really love it. Okay, so that is it for today. I want to thank you guys for coming. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and help me out with my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye now.